Manggap Seaside, Pahil, Baden, this traffic light, Baden Pahil, Baden right, Manggap, New Mawasat Lining, Sida straight, so Baden left side, Baden Pahil, Baden right side, Manggap. This one Manggap Seaside. See, international lawyer, pharmacy, Masaya, Baden Sida, Baden Manggap, Baden Mabula, Abu Halipa, Baden Fintas, Sida straight, walking, wala bus stop, there very far, but walking only. Kotakal massage, exercise. Baden may go inside maybe, okay. Sida Seaside Manggap. Manggap Block 7. Oh, Manggap Block 7, no. Mungkin before NBTC accommodation backside. Too much die fire building fire. Mungkin 30. Talatin die, maybe me wrong, maybe me okay. Before there NBTC camp accommodation Block 7 backside. Too much die Indian. Pilipino maybe die 3. But hindi too much hospital die, too much also die, maybe 10 like this. No, before maybe 2022. Yes, this one Block 7 Manggap. But then right, Block 8. This one Sidago School. Manggap Block 8, but then Block 9. This one very big. This one Kabir building. Me before work travel agency, me deliver ticket. Wahid Pilipini. This one building, very big building. This one. Shoop. Sinuhada. Oh, maybe you miss Manggap. You too much miss Manggap. This one too much video. You shop video ha. Great steak. Shop video, too much video. But in this one Manggap Seaside, right side. Me going Block 9. Sida Jau, Block 9. Really, this one very big building in Manggap. Sultan Center Manggap backside. Maybe coming me next week. Sultan Center Manggap. Now Seaside Manggap. But then next week Sultan Manggap. Let's go, Block 9. Aywa, Block 9 Manggap. This building Wajid company building. But then Block 7 there Wajid company building. This one Block 9 Wajid company building. Yeah, maybe same petrol company building here, Block 7. This one sea shop. But this Seaside same like this building, all Kulumodir, big salary. But the building little building, all maskin, only for same work, no normal work adi. Shop Block 9. You building before Block 9, wala Block 7, wala Block 8. You comment you. Next week me go Sultan Center Manggap, okay? You share too much like, okay? Thank you very much. Manggap bus stop. See, but then Seaside, but then this one bus stop. Yala, finish. Tired walking, very far walking me from Pahil to Manggap walking. Bus stop. See, from Pahil McDonald's Alganim, Baden Roher Manggap. See, Baden bus stop. See, oh yeah, yala taal mini sawa pas. Baden. May video. Little video. See? Wow. Before too much here playing cricket, but now why no playing now cricket? You play cricket before here?